Welcome to Test Prep CA9 Part 1, question number 3. And this question says, below is a dot plot of Mr. Sims videos that 40 students watched. What is the difference between the number of students who watched more than 9 videos and the students who watched less than 2 videos? So I'm just going to underline some key parts here. It says, what is the difference between... That tells us it's probably going to be something maybe with subtraction, but don't always trust keywords. But in this case, what's the difference between these two things? Could very well be subtraction. What is the difference between the number of students who watch more than 9 videos, that's key, more than 9 videos, and the students who watched less than 2 videos? So what is the difference between the two? Well, first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at, here is where the people who watch 9 videos are. Here's where the people who watch 2 videos are. I might be tempted to do this and say, all right, the difference between the number of people who watch more than 9 videos, so I could maybe choose this one here and this one here. This might be very tempting to do, right? But let me ask you a question. Is that right? I want you to take just a second and figure out, did I do something wrong right there? Read very carefully what we read in the question. Always read the question very carefully. Try and figure it out in the next 20 seconds. All right, hopefully what you figured out is that this is incorrect because it says more than 9 videos. And here we've included in our box the 9 videos as well, the 9 video people as well. But we want more than 9 videos. So these 9 video people don't count because they're not more than 9 videos. They're exactly 9 videos. So what I really need are these 10s and these 11s and these 12s. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to redo that part here, but I'm also going to redo this side here because it says less than 2 videos. And these right here we have included, but that's not correct. So those don't belong there because it's less than 2, not including 2 videos. So really these are the values that we need. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean that up real quick. Well, now that we know those are the dots we're looking for, and we know that it says, what is the difference between the number of students who watch these, the 9 videos versus the 2 videos? Since we know that they're just looking for the difference between those two, well, heck, that just makes it easy, right? We just count the dots. Well, let's go ahead and count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 that watched more than 9 videos. And on this side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 that watched less than 2 videos. So it's very tempting to just want to go 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. And I can guarantee you that that will be answer choice A or B on a STAAR test question. They want to see how well you're paying attention. And what we've discovered is that is the wrong answer, but it is one that people are going to do very often. Can you figure out why 4 is the wrong answer? Go ahead and pause the video real quick and see if you can figure it out. All right, hopefully what you figured out was that 4 is the wrong answer. And the reason why 4 is the wrong answer is we forgot one very important part. See if this can help you out. If you didn't get it before, pause it again and try and figure it out now that you know this key piece of information. Go ahead and pause it now. All right, hopefully you discovered that this key right here that shows 1 dot is equal to 2 people influences our answer because we just counted 12 dots, but that's not really 12 people. That's 12 dots. If each dot is 2 people, I have to take this 12 and multiply it by 2. And as we know, 12 times 2 is 24. So 24 is actually the correct number of people that watched more than 9 videos. But I can't just do it on that side. I also have to do it on this side. 8 times 2, if I know my math facts, I know is 16. If you didn't know that 8 times 2 is 16, you need to stop watching the videos for a little bit. Take 30 minutes to go learn your math facts because it's going to hurt you in 6th, 7th, and 8th grade if you don't know them. And frankly, it's a little bit embarrassing if you could become an adult and you don't know your multiplication tables. So 8 times 2 is 16. So now 16 is the number of people who watch less than 2 videos. 24 is the number of people who watch more than 9 videos. And I want to know the difference between them. So I'm going to do 24 minus 16. And that is going to give me an answer of 8. So 8 is the difference between the number of students who watch more than 9 videos and the students who watch less than 2 videos. 8 is the correct answer. And if you got 8 on your test prep, I just want you to know I'm proud of you because you dodged a lot of tricky Mickeys. There was a lot of places that you could go wrong on this, and you managed to dodge every single one of them. So hey, great job having a very good effort and being very meticulous in your math. I really love that you're doing so well. Keep up the great work, and I will talk with you on the next video.